I have a project about vascular plants. Maybe I could find something in my garden. Vascular plants have true roots, stems, and leaves. Some types of roots are fibrous and tap roots. Ooh, some flowers. Come on, get out. Come on. There. This is a fibrous root. Fibrous roots are thick, tangled, and matted roots under the soil surface. Some plants that have fibrous roots are bushes and trees. There you go. Ooh, some carrots. This is a taproot. Taproot is a single thick root that goes straight down to reach water that's deep in the ground. Maybe I should talk about xylem and phloem. Trees have xylem and phloem. Xylem carries water and nutrients from the roots to the leaves. Phloem carries food made from the leaves to the other parts of the plant. Ooh, here comes my sister Abby.
I'm here. I have a project about nonvascular plants. Nonvascular plants don't have real roots, stems, or leaves. We call them root-like, stem-like, and leaf-like structures. Nonvascular plants don't get as big as vascular plants because water, food, and nutrients can only be transported from one cell to the next. Moss and liverwort don't have true roots, stems, or leaves. Nonvascular plants have to be in damp, wet places because they lack xylem and phloem. Nonvascular plants don't release seeds, they release spores. Spores are a single reproductive cell that grows into a new plant.
Hi, do any of you know someone that knows a lot about simple vascular plants?
Yeah, our neighbor knows a lot about plants. Ask him.
I sure hope you'll help me. Sir, can I have some information on simple vascular plants for a science project? Sure. Simple vascular plants are a lot like non-vascular plants because simple vascular plants reproduce with spores just like a non-vascular plant does. But simple vascular plants have xylem and phloem. Simple vascular plants are basically a mixture of vascular and non-vascular plants. Plants that are simple vascular plants include ferns and horsetails. There are about 11,000 different kinds of ferns in the world, and some lived 325 million years ago. The ferns grew 30 to 80 feet tall back then. There are about 20 kinds of horsetails in the world. The spore capsules on a fern are on the underside of the plant. The spore capsules of a horsetail are on the top of the plant.
I hope we'll get an A on this project, all thanks to you, Mr. Olson.
Oh, it was nothing, and I was glad to help.